Time to draw! Hello, kids! In today's video, we will draw a beautiful rainbow unicorn. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let's start by tracing this beautiful unicorn. This drawing will be so beautiful! It's so much fun to draw him! Now let's paint his eyes black. For his paws, we will use light blue. Now for his nose, we will paint it pink. Purple hair. Dark blue. Dark green now. Yellow. Orange. And lastly, red. Now we will paint his horn in the same color order as his hair. For his tail, we will start with purple. Dark pink. Dark blue. Light green. Yellow. Orange. Red. And now let's touch up the drawing. It was beautiful. Bye-bye, kids.